Today we will learn new bacterial disease which is known as influenza, the flu. It is a contagious respiratory illness caused by influenza viruses. It can cause mild to severe illness and at times can lead to death. The best way to prevent seasonal flu is by getting a seasonal flu vaccination each year. In virus classification, influenza viruses are RNA viruses that make up three of the five genera of the family Orthomyxoviridae. Three types of influenza virus: influenza A, B, and C. You can see the picture or diagram of Orthomyxoviridae in the slide. There is a difference between cold and flu, and we have to know the difference between cold and flu. A cold is a mild respiratory illness than the flu. While cold symptoms can make you feel bad for a few days, flu symptoms can make you feel quite ill for a few days or weeks. Cold symptoms usually begin with sore throat, which usually goes away after a day or two. Nasal symptoms, runny nose, and congestion follow, along with a cough by the fourth and fifth days. Fever is uncommon in adults, but a slight fever is possible. Children are more likely to have a fever with a cold. With cold symptoms, your nose steams with watery nasal secretions for the first few days. Later, this becomes thicker and darker. Whether a person has a typical seasonal flu or swine flu, the symptoms seem to be quite similar. Flu symptoms are usually more severe than cold symptoms and come on quickly. Symptoms of swine flu and seasonal flu include sore throat, fever, headache, muscle aches, and soreness, congestion, and cough. Swine flu in particular is also associated with vomiting and diarrhea. Classification of influenza virus: family Myxoviridae, subfamily Paramyxoviridae, and Orthomyxoviridae. Subfamily Orthomyxoviridae divided into three genus: genus Influenza A, Influenza B, and Influenza C. Influenza A is divided in type Influenza A, and Influenza A is further divided in subtype H1N1, H1N2. Understanding the naming of flu viruses. This is example of naming of flu viruses: A slash Sydney slash 05 slash 97 in bracket H3N2. A means virus type. Sydney indicates place where virus isolated. 05 indicates strain number. 97 indicates year of isolation. And H3N2 is virus subtype. Here you can see the human seasonal influenza virus: types, subtypes, clades means groups, subclades means subgroups. Orthomyxoviridae, it is a RNA virus. Pleomorphic influenza types A, B, C, febrile, respiratory illness with systemic. Orthomyxoviruses type A, B, C, and P, M1 protein, subtypes HA or NA protein. HA means heme agglutinin, NA means neuraminidase. In picture you can see the lipid bilayer membrane, helical nucleocapsid, RNA plus N protein, polymerase 3 proteins. The type A viruses are most virulent human pathogens among the three influenza types and cause the most severe disease. Type A flu or influenza A viruses are capable of infecting people as well as animals. Wild aquatic birds are the natural host for a large variety of influenza A. The influenza A virus can be subdivided into different serotypes based on the antibody response to these viruses. The serotypes have been confirmed in humans ordered by the number of known human pandemic deaths are H1N1 caused Spanish flu in 1918 and the 2009 flu pandemic. H2N2 caused by Asian flu in 1957. H3N2 caused Hong Kong flu in 1968. H5N1 a current pandemic threat. H7N7 which has unusual zoonotic potential, H1N2 endemic in humans and pigs, and H1N2, H9N2, H7N2, H7N3, H10 and 7. American Red Cross nurses keep the flu patients in temporary wards set up inside the Auckland Municipal Auditorium. Influenza B virus and influenza C virus. Influenza B almost exclusively infects humans and is less common than influenza A. These types of influenza mutates at rate 2 to 3 times lower than type A. This reduced rate of antigenic change combined with its limited host range ensures that pandemics of influenza B don't occur. Influenza C virus, which infects humans, dogs, and pigs, sometimes causing both severe illness and local epidemics. However, influenza C is less common than the other types and usually only causes mild disease in children. The viral particles in all influenza viruses are similar in composition. These are made of viral envelope containing two main types of glycoproteins wrapped around the central core. The central core contains the viral RNA genome and other viral proteins that package and protects this RNA. RNA tend to be single-stranded, but in special cases it is double. Usually for a virus, its genome is not a single piece of nucleic acid. Instead, it contains 7 or 8 pieces of segmented negative sense RNA. Each piece of RNA contains either 1 or 2 genes. For example, the influenza A genome contains 11 genes on 8 pieces of RNA encoding for 11 proteins: heme agglutinin, HA, neuraminidase, NA, nucleoprotein NP, M1, M2, NS1, NS2, NEP, PA, PB1, PB1, F2, and PB2. HA encodes heme agglutinin spike protein, binds to any cellular protein with a alpha 2,6-sialic acid group, mediates penetration of viral core and RNA into target cell. It is the major target of neutralizing antibodies for vaccines and successful immune responses. Na encodes for neuraminidase protein. This enzyme cleaves the HA protein upon cell binding and facilitates penetration of the viral core. Together they mediate cell infection. Influenza viruses, in part, are named by their HA or Na subtypes. Example, H5N1. Heme agglutinin and neuraminidase. Heme agglutinin and neuraminidase are the two large glycoproteins on the outside of the viral particles. HA is a lectin that mediates binding of the virus to the target cells and entry of the viral genome into the target cells, while Na is involved in the release of progeny virus from the infected cells by cleaving sugars that bind to the mature viral particles. Thus, these proteins are targets for antiviral drugs. Furthermore, they are antigens to which antibodies can be raised. Symptoms of influenza: chills, body aches, especially throats and joints, coughing and sneezing, extreme fever, fatigue, headache, nasal congestion. Though similar symptoms occur with a cold, they are much more severe with the flu. Thank you.